Did you know that Lady Gaga's biggest hits might not actually be hers? What I'm about to tell you will shock every music fan. Industry insiders are finally speaking out about one of music's biggest secrets. Those songs you love, Bad Romance, Poker Face, even Shallow from A Star Is Born, they were written by teams of ghostwriters who never got credit. Studio musicians are breaking their silence. They say they watched the real writers get pushed aside while Gaga's name went on everything. One songwriter spent years in court trying to prove he wrote Poker Face. He lost. Leaked emails show record executives planning exactly how to hide the real writers. The contracts are brutal. Writers get paid once, then stay quiet forever. If they talk, they lose everything. The music industry has a dirty secret. Stars don't always write their own hits. They just have the best lawyers and the biggest labels behind them. This isn't just about Lady Gaga. This happens everywhere in music. The question is, how many of your favorite songs were really written by someone else?